shot the bend. Nicole Cook now struggling to get back onto the group. And I don't think she's going to do it. She's hit the front.
The Great Match, Friday 8:30 on BBC2W.
Love hurts, but there are worse things.
It has to stop.
I think she's a menace.
I think she's interesting.
First Degree, Friday 9:15 on BBC2W, digital TV for Wales.
On Show was there for 2W to bring you the best of the Brecon Jazz Festival, and in the first of 3 visits, highlights of one of the jazz world's newest sensations, Jamie Cullum.